Does housing affordability have you down? Does it have you feeling stuck, like you're thinking, I can't buy a house, I can't sell my house and buy a new one, it's too expensive? Or maybe you have some kids or some friends that feel the same way, feel like they're stuck and they're never going to be able to buy a house. Well, I've got some great news. I'm going to share with you today a strategy that can potentially solve for affordability issues for most potential borrowers. And what it is a renovation loan. Let me show you 3 reasons to think about doing this. Is buy a fixer-upper, fix it up, but here's the thing, we can use a renovation loan so you don't have to come out of pocket for costs. Let me show you the 3 benefits. Number 1, it's a lower price point. The average fixer-upper you could buy at almost 30% below the market value of what it would be with improvements. There's way less competition because very few people want to take on the project, and you can build equity much faster. So let me explain how it works. So there's 2 programs, and each would be designed based on your specific needs, your credit score, and your cash requirements. Both work very well. It just, like I said, customized to your needs. The first is Fannie Mae's home style renovation loan. You can borrow up to 97% of the completed value, and you can finance up to 75% of the construction costs or the renovation costs into that completed value. So that means you have a very broad, big budget to add on. So let's say you're adding on $100,000 worth of value to the renovation. You can borrow up to $75,000 of that to help complete the construction of the property. Same with FHA. FHA has a 203K. It has a couple different versions, one that excludes foundation issues, one that includes foundation and structural issues. Both of those you can borrow up to 96.5 of the completed value of the house. And so it's a great program. That program is better for if you have, depending on your credit score, it's really good for, really 700 and below credit score. And if the loan amount's going to be below 566, if the loan amount's going to be 566 to 800 and your credit's a little bit better, conventional loan's going to be the way to go. That's something I would customize and tailor for you. And here is how it works. You basically go out, you first of all, you come to me and we get you pre-approved for the renovation loan. Then you go find a fixer-upper, okay? The fixer-upper, you're not going to do a normal 30-day close. You're going to do an extended escrow. And what I mean by that, you're going to negotiate a 15-day option period and a 60-day closing time frame. And the reason is not because we can't close fast or you can't close fast if you wanted to, but you need extra time to get the bids on the property. And it goes really quickly, so the more time you have, the better, because you not only have to get bids, but there's also design features and finishing out details. And it's a very short window you'd have to make those decisions unless you can negotiate a time period that will allow you to complete that with the seller. And many sellers will do that because they've been sitting on these properties. And then once you get all the bids done, we underwrite your loan, we get an appraisal, and as long as the appraised value is high enough to support the improvements, then we're good to go. If not, we just make a few adjustments to the budget and get you finished off. And then once that's done, you can close very quickly. So that's the way it all works. I do this. I do construction lending. I do all sorts of lending for my borrowers. I'm a certified mortgage planner. Please feel comfortable reaching out to me, and please feel comfortable texting me, calling me, and emailing me. Your family, your friends, anyone you know looking to buy a house, I will, or build, or even renovate, or need to refinance or restructure, any of that. I am the expert. Reach out to me, have them reach out to me, or give me their numbers. I'll call them for you. I will take great care of them, and I hope you have a great day.